If you charge any Android phone, a pop-up message comes up how long it will take to charge the phone. But if you charge the iPhone, there is no pop-up message and we do not even know how long it takes to charge the full charge on our iPhone. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to create iPhone charging time shortcuts. First, go to the Shortcuts app on our iPhone. Next, click on Automation below. Click on New Automation. Here, scroll down and tap on Charger. Make sure Is Connected is selected. Select Run Immediately. Tap on Next. Tap on New Blank Automation. Click on the search bar and type battery. Click on Get Battery Status. Again, click on the search bar and type Calculate. Click on Calculate. Now click on Number. From here, click on Battery States. Again, click on Battery State. From here, click Clear Variable. Tap on Number and type 100. Then click on plus. From the list, select minus option. Now tap on the search bar again and type Calculate. Tap on Calculate. Here we will click on the number option and we need to enter on, 5. But there is not the comma option. We have to set the settings here to bring a comma sign. That's why we have to go to the iPhone settings. Then tap on General. Tap on Language and Region. Then tap on Number Format. From here, select the last one to bring a comma sign. Now go back to the Shortcuts app. Now enter on, 5. Select the plus icon. Select Divided option. Again, tap on the search bar and type Round. Select the option Round Number. Again, tap on the search bar and type Alert. Select Show Alert. From here, delete Do you want to continue. And type About space. Select Rounded Number space. Type Minutes to full charge. Now click on Done in the top right of the screen. Now whenever you charge your iPhone, a pop-up message will appear on the phone that how much time your iPhone take to full charge. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.